It's been a hell of a day. It's been a hell of a day. Let's see where we're at. Waiting for your stream to go live. Chat will appear when your stream goes live, and yet here I am thinking it has already done that. What an idiot. Live view. Come on, let's get it going. I'm trying to finish setting this up. I want to. No. Mr. Yoshi, what's up? Raja. Look at this shit, guys. Look at this shit. Look what happened today. Look what happened today. This is fun. GG. Thank you, Joseph. Yeah, man. Yeah, we try. We try. What in the fuck? Let me see here. All right. Could you please actually go live? Thank you. Do you think it'll hit ATH? Do I think it'll hit all-time high? I don't think it'll get there in an hour. I don't think it'll jump up in an hour. Oh my gosh, look what's happening right now. Could it be? Could it be, guys? This is nice. I wanted to see it turn around real quick. Can we see that? It's ETH. Yeah. So if you were on my Discord, you would have seen I got on this morning, guys, and I said, bye. Bye right here. Bye, bye, bye. On my Discord. And then I said to sell right here. Things turned around rapidly right here. So I picked up a couple more. But after this happened, I bailed again right about here. So I did take a $10 per share loss on that little bad idea. But overall, it was fun. Who else is here? Who else is on tonight? Let's start off by saying this show is for fun. It's not for children. This is for hanging out, talking Ethereum, having a good time, figuring out what we're hearing around town. We are watching moving averages. We got a cross on the 5-minute, which would be a change since 2 hours. So this is a 2-hour conformational change here. That looks kind of fun. Let's check our trading view, which I cannot apparently get to appear on my screen. I do not have a buy button on 15 minutes. Apparently not. Can I get live? Yeah. I don't know. For anybody that wasn't on my Discord, this morning, I logged on the Discord and I said, guys, we're having a major reversal. We basically did a countdown. We said, it's happening here in the next half an hour, whatever we said. And we all jumped in and we all watched it go up the whole time from about here to here. So we all got to go 8% in about 5 hours on our Discord channel. Can I post my Discord, please? Yes. Let me try to. Probably better off trying to do that on my phone real quick, actually. Let me see here. Discord. Oh, we're going live. What's up? I literally don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to just try to pop it on this channel. Try to pop it in the live chat right quick. Give me a moment. Give me a mother. I don't have moderators, and I actually have one person. Where's Chrome? Where's Chrome? Oh, nope, that's my Patreon. I literally didn't mean to. Is that my Patreon or somebody else's? If you go there, send this link to never expire. What the fuck? I literally went into our Discord channel and did share link, and then somehow I just posted this Patreon. That's shameless. That's fucking shameless. God, we're giving a fucking run here, guys. We are having a run. I'm trying to pull up my goddamn trading view chart. I can't get it to fly. Here we go. Am I missing something? Hakwatala! What is up, sir? I want it to. I'm not getting all the crazy signals like this. This could be very short term. I'm not getting all the good signals that I like to see. Give me a second. I mean, that's a nice little bump, but we're still way underneath. Why can I not? I guess we're just gonna fucking do it like that for now, huh? Wonderful. All right. This is my trading view. I like to use, I built this trading view here. I use market cipher. It's VMC cipher A, VMC cipher B, MAR. I like to look for 30, 45 minute, and 1 hour buy points. We are actually on a red dot currently. This little blip on the radar barely pales in comparison to what is happening right now. I want to post my Discord. By the way, I believe I posted my Patreon. For Christ's sake, somebody click that. Tell me if it's mine. Put some money into it and then let me know if it's mine or not. If it's not, don't do it. Just kidding. Let me look to see if I can get our Discord link going here. Boo-doo boo. Gutted Possum, what's up? We had We had a really great opportunity to bust through right here, which is actually why I thought we were. This huge recovery was a really big deal because if you can see it, and I'm sure you can see it, there's a nice fucking W right there. That is a type of chart movement that's actually when you're bullish and then you bang, bang, and then bang through. It can often mean that you gotta have a nice little bull run, but we fucked that up. Apparently, we decided to get scared when we hit 1370 and just ran for the fucking hills here. Hekmatola, no, look, you don't buy. I mean, yeah, right? Like maybe it recovers pretty well and all of a sudden we get a bunch of buy signals and yeah, we buy, okay. But maybe we do that here when it's 1340 and we miss out on $10-15 a share. But the thing is, we need to wait until we find out that this is a real trend reversal versus a 10-minute change of this is nice. This right here is nice, but we need major reversals. This is a 5-minute reversal. I just don't know yet. I'm not seeing all the signs I like to see here. Oof. Kwin, I have not been hearing about that. I have not. I watch a lot of YouTubers talk about a lot of Ethereum, and I haven't been hearing about Ethereum 2.0 projected dates and things, unfortunately. Let me see if I can't get this up another window. I want this to work. Please work, you son of a bitch. Ha! Nailed it. Fucking nailed it. Yeah. If you're not buying and selling at like frequent rates throughout this, like if you're not trying to buy here and sell here in a 5-hour period, there's not a lot of point in doing this kind of market watch. This kind of market watch is not very productive for somebody unless they're trying to take advantage of short-term swings that could last 5 hours, such as this. You know, we're waiting for that kind of stuff. We're waiting big time. This is what we're waiting for. Like that's like we're waiting for this. You know, we're waiting for this. We're waiting for this. Saw that coming. Played this whole thing. So yeah, this is, you know what I'm saying? Like we're waiting. We're waiting for this. Okay? We're waiting for it. I'm going to buy and sell within a few hours, 12 hours, a day. If you are somebody who's buying with the intention of even mildly considering $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, $3,000, this is not for you. This show, that like this, I mean the show is fine. You can fucking watch the show. But I mean like this Discord where we talk about watching this go from here to here, jumping in here, jumping out here, that's not for you. Okay? Trying to jump in here real quick. This is not the point where we try to jump in if we're looking at trying to break all-time highs of 1,500 and 2,000, this and the other thing. If you're somebody who's maybe looking to make 5% over 3 hours, That only looks like 1,400 bucks. Like that's a huge jump, by the way. If we did 6% in 3 hours, that would be a huge jump. This was huge. You can make 6% of your money on in 3 hours. You'd be killing it. You'd be fucking killing it. No, the only reason one of the few reasons why I didn't get into mining Ethereum just recently is because all of the rumors that Ethereum future state is going away from proof of work and away from mining in that way, and more like of a centralized mining type of platform, which is unfortunate because I was like really gung-ho about starting Ethereum mining all of a sudden. But when I did my research, I was like, this is not probably what we're trying to do. They're trying to get away from that, apparently, so we'll see. I was thinking about like asking a question today. Who knows what's happening with these groups that you're hearing about short selling, people who are short selling great American classic companies, and then groups that are like buying the shit out of those groups, and the prices are skyrocketing. Okay, skyrocketing. You don't know what I'm talking about. Look at GameStop. Look at GameStop. Let's look at GameStop. Wow. This is actually a really, it's really getting strong. It's nice. This is nice. We actually crossing another moving average line on the 5. Yeah, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is a really nice 30 minutes of ass kicking here. Holy shit. Yeah, GameStop, BlackBerry, AMC. What else? Who has the power to just have like massive buy-offs and can drive a price up by 10 times? Like, who has the ability to just drive up the price by GameStop by 10 times over the course of a month? That's crazy. This was a nice little jam here. That is a nice little jam. A pump and dump group. Someone bought GameStop with 50K and made 11 million. Well, I think it was only 10 times your money. So if you put in 50K, I think you'd only get 500K. If I look at the stock, it looks like it only went up 10 times. A pump and dump group though. Am I missing this group? What's the name of the group? Can I get in on that action? Is it illegal? Is it illegal? Here, let me just hit this thing real quick. What was that? That's strange. That's so strange. I don't know what that was. I'm actually really loving this. I'm really loving this. This is... We don't have a buy on the 30 yet. though. I bet if we have another run like we have for the last 30 minutes, we will. We got to enjoy all this all day, but I tell you what, when all the signs pointed to things slowing like this, all the signs were pointing towards this kind of conformational change, and it happened here again, at which point we or me or whoever did what I did, and we jumped out here, and then it looked like we made a good choice, but then this kind of recovery happened, and I was like, oh my god, that's like such a strong recovery, going absolutely crazy. And then this started to happen. So it was too volatile here. This too volatile. Not trying to play that game. Not trying to play that game right now. Not if the swings are 2-3% and they happen within an hour. I'm not trying to play 3% swings in an hour. No. But I will play an 8%, 9% swing in over the course of 5 hours or something. This I was waiting for. I was waiting for this hard, and I played it hard too. Look at how far look at that. We're so far away before we can recover on the 30. It's not even funny. Prince Zuko, what's up, man? What chat? I don't know. What chat? What groups? Tell me what groups. WSBC chairman on Twitter. Is that the group of people that told everyone to get into GameStop? Who is that group? I want to know who they are so I can like check them out, see what they're trying to pull here. Well, damn it! If I'm not looking at this. We're actually 24 hours ago, 25 at 9:30. We're actually slightly below what we were 24 hours ago. Let's clear out some of this hanging trash. So what we might still be in is relative high, relative low, shakeout. It's possible. I didn't know if it was going to be here, but it was looking bad at some point yesterday and during the stream, so we like bailed out, and I did not fall all the way down. Like, I didn't do any of this. I was telling people that you could see that was looking like that just yesterday. Yeah, that is a good one. That may be a good one. Boom, boom. Yep. Yep. What do you think that means? Do you think that means that's good? Do you think that means 4-hour double top? What do we think that means? Are we feeling bullish or are we feeling bearish? If you look, We crossed hard here, really hard, and we were good, but this trend is terrible, and I don't know why I would ever buy on a 2 hour trend that looked like it was reversing so hard into a bear trend. Yeah, Chuck, this is looking terrible to me because this is, and remember, this is a 2 hour chart. Okay, we're crossing here on the moving averages. It's not going to cross again for it would take how long would it take? It would take another half a day for it to cross back if we were lucky. What in the fucking delete this? I can't draw perfectly, but you know. Buy and sell green in 2 minutes. Buy and sell on what time frame? We don't have any recent buys or sells. On the 15-minute, we actually did get a nice little dip down here. RSI's pretty flat. I just don't see, it doesn't look like, this looks very temporary to me. Yeah, this is good. Like this is topping out and starting to turn under, and this is bottoming out and starting to turn up maybe. I mean, but it's not strong enough. Look at RSI, look at this going down. It's I don't know. I'm not seeing all the most obvious buy signals at the moment. 1365. I think I bought in for about that earlier. No, it was 1360-ish, I think it was. But yeah, I called a short loss on that. Actually, I was like, when we got to this, I think after this section and we got to crossing here, I was like, nope, I'm taking a $10 loss. I'm getting out of here. 1350. I think I probably sold around here, and that was a good choice because I could have potentially lost another 25, 30 bucks if I hadn't. I could have just sat there and lost all that money all the way down. So if I basically, no matter what, I sold it. I had my last sell at 1350. So at any time, if I buy before this, that and go back, any money I make on my way back up will recover that loss that I had there. I think when he says shorted, he's probably saying sold. You sold at 1365. I imagine that's what he's saying. Chuck G. Often when people are saying longing, that's kind of like a buy position, and shorting is like a sell position. You're like, if you're longing Ethereum, then you would be in a like bully buying type of a mood. But I think people need to understand what that means. Like, are you looking to go from 1300 to 2000? Because if you're looking to go from 1300 to 2000, then none of this matters. Like, we're not doing that tonight. We're not doing that tomorrow. We're not doing that next week. And this is going to go up and down crazily. Okay, look at this kind of. This is crazy. This is crazy. You don't want to play this game. This is not a game for you. If you want to invest in Ethereum and you want to be confident that it's going to be worth more than you invested into it today, then come back. And play with your kids, enjoy your life, put the money in, and then just kind of just know that it's going to do well. Let's see here. This is Ethereum. This is Ethereum. This is the true Ethereum. I'll do it a little bit less. This is the price of Ethereum. You guys, this is nothing. It hasn't blown up whatsoever. This is a giant increase. If you take into the long time course of Ethereum, it'll eventually do that. That's what they say anyway. But like this is a pretty slow rate, to be honest, if you want to take into consideration things like how volatile this can be and how explosive it's supposed to be. Right, yeah, right. If you that's right. Inhumane Pie. If you want to hit $2,000, buying here would have been nice. But anywhere you buy, like between now and 1,500, will be a good win for you. Like you could sit here, you could buy anytime. If it's up or down 100, who cares? If it's up or down 200, it doesn't. But I'll buy in and sell just to make $50 a share over and over. But look at this. This is not explosive. This is what it looks like. 2,000 is here. I wish I could just draw some new lines and not have everything. Anywho, let's go back to the 15. This is the chart. When you look at it with everything put away, all the noise is gone. This is it. This is what it looks like. Not so glorious. This is a nice little run, but as you can see, this does not look promising. Is there anything about this that's promising? I don't see it. Inhumane Pie, you bought every bottom since it went above 900. That's nice. That's a good buy average. You probably got in at under 1,000 at another point, not even at the beginning point, but a week later. And you probably bought under 1,100 a number of times. Yeah, right here you could have bought in at 1245. Did you get it at 1245 here? See that? We didn't even recover. We bounced off and kept bad on the moving averages. It's not even close to good. Yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I just think crypto investment is going to be good, at least for the next 2 months. I think it's a safe bet for the next 2 months. And this is just my theory. No, don't bet anything on it, okay? In the next 2 months, Americans are getting $4,000 stimulus check per household on average, maybe 5,000 on average, I think they said. If you had a time machine, investing in ETH would not be probably the way to go. There's so many other ones that skyrocketed by much higher percent. This is obviously great, but there's much better ones anyway. There's a number of ones that you could buy for a half of a penny. There's a number of coins you can buy for a half a penny, and then that went up to $100 at one point, and thousands of times your money is what you'd want. You know, you'd want to put it in that kind of bet. That's a good bet. When's the next bottom? Yeah, this is not a good trend. So let's see here. Is this an actual recovery that's going to put us towards this? Well, yesterday we decided to have this bottom. Today we decided to have this bottom. Yeah. I'm not sure if I don't see us dipping back down. Like, really, I don't. Let me see here. In between the two all-time highs, which are pretty much the same, these two are pretty much the same. This is like a double top, guys, by the way. If it wasn't for this and the retesting and then the continued progression from like this to this to this, you know, I would be much more concerned. Like, it's really close. Computer just decided to stop working. That's wonderful. Fucking wonderful. Yeah. I don't know. I don't see anything in particular that looks particularly promising. What is this bottom? 1240? Possibly. I don't see anything in particular, so I can't make a call right now. There's nothing obviously good. There's something that's temporarily noticeably bad. The question is, does this go through this and do this? That would be nice. Maybe I should make this my thumbnail picture. I should just like take this as a picture right now and make this my thumbnail and then see if that happens. Let me see here. Take a picture on my camera. What? No, I can use snippet. I'll do that. Why not? Snipping tool? I bet you guys didn't know this. I bet you guys didn't know about that snipping tool on your computer. Go to the bottom where you search for stuff and type in snipping tool and then look at it. I bet a lot of you didn't know about the snipping tool. And then you can just like snip little pieces out of your thing. I can't grab this apparently. Fibonacci from where to where? Shalea knew about snipping. CG. Let's not go quite yet. See, look at guys, I want to show you something. Look at some of you G's out there saw this and was like, let's go, it's time to go, it's time to go. And I was like, I don't know, it doesn't look real promising. And then psh, remember that, guys? Don't forget, 42 minutes ago, some of you all were like, let's go, let's fucking go. Wah, wah. Wah, wah. Red, white, and K. I use Binance.us right here for this chart by TradingView that they license and allow their users to use. But I also use this chart here, which I forgot was not up, is Boom. And this chart is the actual TradingView.com chart. And you can go there and you can make your own chart. And that's a really cool thing to do, really fun thing to do. I don't have bars on. You guys probably like bars, huh? I forgot that. Candles, yeah, candles, obviously. I gotta post my Discord. Give me a second. I keep forgetting to do that. I go to my Discord and there's like no obvious like link to share the fucking channel. Did somebody on the Discord please just share the fucking Discord link? No, nobody can share a link on the chat. Oh my god. I cannot. Voice channel, text channel. It says invite members, and when I clicked invite members, I'm pretty sure invite members, invite, or send a server invite link to a friend. Huh? I don't know. You tell me. What am I sharing the link? Share the link. Copy. Post it in the chat. Oh, here it is, Discord. Nice. That was it. Did I do that last time too? And I just didn't realize. I thought I was an idiot. It was my Patreon account the first time. Scroll up in the live chat. Go to 9:08 p.m. Look at my link where I posted my Patreon account completely by accident, not a plug, because I'm like still kind of looking at it and trying to figure out if that's for me or if I want to try to deal with it or whatever. But go ahead and click it. Check it out, and let's go. We got Ethereum. Every day we talk about Ethereum. We're talking about coins. We're talking about apparently the market manipulation. What was the name of that group who was investing in GameStop, driving up GameStop prices? It wasn't Elon Musk. It was not Elon Musk who drove up GameStop. No, it couldn't be. No, this is not true, because this has been happening for a month. GameStop ticker. Inez, what up? Look at the price of GameStop over the course of a month. So this wasn't because, I mean, that was a huge jump because in only 24 hours. Oh my god, it doubled. It doubled in 24 hours. Guys, you guys are fucking around in crypto like a bunch of idiots. Y'all are fucking around in crypto like a bunch of idiots when you could have made 100% of your money in 24 hours on GameStop. What did fucking Elon say? No, thank you. Good God. Chris Watson, welcome. Dude, it wasn't just GameStop. It was other companies. AMC movie theaters. Like, look at the price of AMC movie theaters. It's blowing up. Because apparently, one shithead group... Why can't I get it? Ticker. I'm terrible at this, apparently. Not ticket. For fuck's sake. I'm gonna have to do that apparently separately. Jason Winehouse. You do. It depends on if you want altcoins or if you want some of the stable coins. If you want to day trade, you should pick a service that is free. Coinbase is not free. They charge like between 1% and 2% or whatever they charge for every transaction. And if your transaction's like $5,000, they're gonna take like $100 fucking dollars out of your money, which is insane. Especially because there's multiple free ones that you could use. Like Robinhood is potentially free. And if you use this link that I don't get anything out of other than one free stock for the both of us, if you click it and use it, this is a good use this to try out Robinhood. If you want to try out Robinhood, try it out. Use that link. Yeah, Redditors and Wall Street shorts shouts. Yeah. You bought AMC when it was $2. I apparently can't find AMC ticker prices because my fucking Google will not even allow me to type in AMC ticker. It will not even allow me to. It says ticket. It keeps changing it to ticket. Like even if I click enter, it's like no, you don't want ticker price. You want ticket. And I'm like, no, I want you to just give me what I fucking want. All right, bucket. Go to Yahoo Finance. God damn it. God damn it. I'm just gonna. Eventually, I'll get there, guys. A little bit slow, but I'll fucking get there. Wait, is it at 496? That doesn't seem right. What was I looking at? I thought it went up to $8 or some shit. BlackBerry. Yeah. I saw somebody said BlackBerry is the next one to go up, and that's what I've been hearing. BlackBerry. AMC. Who is... I show AMC on Robinhood after hours. Oh my god, after hours it's up 66%. Holy shit, guys. What happens... So this is at 496 at close, and I think when it opens in the morning it's gonna fucking shoot up to 825. Nearly doubling your money since close. Bet you wish you bought... I bet you wish you'd bought AMC. You can't even see it. This whole fucking time I'm sitting here fucking swinging it around on the screen and nobody can fucking see it. Alright. AMC, guys. After hours trading, it's gone up by an additional $3.30, which as you can see is like 80 more percent fucking dollars from this. It's gonna jump up to 8:30 in the morning. Unbelievable. GameStop 147. Go back 1 month. Look at this. You could have bought GameStop for less than $20. Whoa, man. Whoa, man. What's the next one? What is the next one? What did we talk about? What was it? The BlackBerry. Oh my god, that seems terrible. That seems like a terrible idea. Is this the right BlackBerry? BB? Am I looking at it right? We're still not looking attractive. Undoubtedly unattractive. We are looking. We don't have a buy, although we're creeping. We are creeping. We're getting creepier and creepier towards no. I'm gonna take that back. I'm not feeling confident at all, guys. This might be an early night. I'm not gonna sit here and watch this thing fall down for another hour. I'm not doing it. I won't. I will not do it, people. This is terrible. This is like this. This is, look at how you have red over pink over yellow, and it goes like this, and it takes it this long to recover. All right, let's see what happened here. Let's see. Right when they all cross the line here to the point where it turns around. That was 3 hours at a 6% loss. It crossed right about here. 3 hours at a 6% loss. That was even worse than this. This wasn't nearly as bad. What was this? 4% in an hour. Yeah, this isn't even close to recovering, really. This is bad trends, just bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna just sit here and watch this fall down. I told you, people, I bought in here. I put it on my Discord. I just posted a link to my Discord earlier. I watch this stuff pretty religiously. I'm watching for these kinds of swings. I saw this coming a mile away. I posted in my Discord to buy in here and also to sell here, which we all did together, and it was wonderful. And then this triple top W happened, people. This triple top W was one of the best I've ever seen. Look at how beautiful it is. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? It's like the most beautiful triple top I ever seen. And if I was feeling bullish, which I was, that would be a breakout pattern right here. And when I seen this coming and we were about here, I was like, we crossed moving averages here. I bought in here. I was like, wait a minute, I see this coming. I want to go ride this thing all the way up. And then the worst half an hour of the day, essentially, brought us right back down below, and I jumped out here. Took like a $10 loss. We don't do groups. What groups don't we do? We do Discord. We do Patreon. I just opened it today. I just created it. I want some feedback. I want somebody to go on there and give me some feedback, please. Patreon/GreatScottTheGamer. I put the link in the chat. Let's go. I want to see. If you go onto Patreon and you can't get any content at all unless you have a tier of some sort that somebody has to pay for? No. Look, the only reason that you would get in at 13, the only reason you try to get out after buying in at 13.66 is if you were watching very closely and trying to realize a short-term gain. Like, let's say you're like, okay, right now I'm willing to take, and for you, $50 at this point, a $50 a share loss. And so maybe one day you're here and you're back in your money. You could just skip all of this and not deal with it and just wait until you're back in the money, which is probably the way to go. Or if you are somebody who likes to gamble, you might take a little bit of a loss and then try to jump in at the bottom and ride this back up. If I do that and I make $100 here on my way up, and if I lost 50 coming down, jump out here buy in here, ride this up for 100. I have not only come out on top, but I've come out on a profit. Not only broke, I've not lost money, I've gained money. Assuming that we're going to get back above this at some time in the near future, which most people do. Yeah, you don't need to play this whole game. That's why I said you could skip this whole game. Just wait a little while, and then you're back into money. Me, I like to play around, so I would like I did. I took a $10 loss right here, and GG. Why didn't you? I mean, I'm not saying you have to do what I say, and please don't. Nobody do anything that I say. Worst idea ever is to do what I say. Terrible idea. Oh, watch out now. Everyone, calm down. Calm down. It's getting warm in here. I hate having to delete these. I wish I could like make like a circle area of things and then just delete everything in the circle. Do I have a 50? No, I can change one to a 50. I can change the 13 to a 50. There's the 50. This is a terrible cross. That's a terrible, terrible cross. Guys, this cross is so bad, it's basically saying that all of this didn't even happen. This, look at, when the red line is over everything, that's bad. Bad, 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 bad. Crossing here, good. Crossing back over, bad. So when I say like an MA cross or moving average cross, these are the kinds of crosses I'm talking about. They show changes uptrend of bullish versus bearish sentiment, which is important. This is such a hard cross. You know what's not going to happen? What's not going to happen is this is going to go. That's not going to happen. And so we're going to be downward for a minute, actually, aren't we? We're going to be hella downward. Which is so funny because, guys, we hit a 2-hour buy dot on Cypher. Somewhere around here, we hit a 2-hour buy dot, and I was like, oh my gosh, you know, you don't get to see a 2-hour buy dot on Cypher very often. That was really cool. I wonder if I can still see it here. There it was right there. Was that? The time on this chart is not Eastern Standard Time, which I'm on, so oof, we got a 2-hour red dot. We got a 2-hour red dot. That's saying something, guys. That's fucking saying something here. This is the last time we got a 2-hour red dot. The last time we got a 2-hour red dot, we crashed 12.5% in one day. Maybe not that bad. 12% in less than a day. I don't know. Can't draw worth a shit apparently. I wish I would get off of this. Get off. Get off. You're like, yeah, because I ripped my shirt off real quick. I was getting hot. I was getting hot. MAs that I use, Ray, great question. I'm currently using like 2, 8, and 20, but I have heard of some really awesome different MAs to use. There's a Fibonacci MA. It's Fibonacci moving averages. Moving average strategy. So you guys could look up stuff, top 3 average trading strategies. You can do Fibonacci moving average numbers. 5, 8, and 13, I think it is. 5 and 8 and 13. I don't like 5 and 8 and 13 actually. Henry Treos, hello. Join the Discord. It's up higher in the chat. There, I'll post it. I think I can just post it again for you. I'll just keep blasting the chat over and over with my Discord. That is my Robinhood one. So that's a no. Gonna bust our asses on over to Discord. Share the link like a motherfucking G. And we're chatting it up all fucking day long, giving each other like immediate changes, big upswings, downswings, while keeping each other notified. You got a mortgage on your house for Ethereum. Well, I don't think that's a terrible bet in the long run. I think most people probably assume that you'll get your money back. This was not what I was looking for. I was looking for the Fibonacci numbers. I believe it's 5, 8, 13, and 21. You got 5, 10, 20. Some people use different ones. You got to look them up. Some traders use Fibonacci numbers 5, 8, 13, 21 for moving averages. Anyway. Yeah, so how are you down 200K if you, like, where the hell did you buy in with your mortgage? Where in the hell did you buy in with your mortgage if you're down 200K? And how fucking big is your mortgage? Yeah, man, join that group. It's a riot. No, it's cool. To be honest, I'll probably move some of like my best moves to Patreon eventually. Like today, I did this. Like I fucking nailed this today. Like I called it here and here, so we did that. In fact, I've done that a number of times. This one, I called that like perfectly, like to the T, to the number, to the time frame, like a number of these. You know, I put that information out there. Like I called this falling through the floor, all of that. I called this drop here, all of that. All this was like I drew this. If you want to look back at my videos, you can see I draw this stuff before it happens, and then it happens. So this here was my predicted bottom, and that's where it hit there at that time. This is where I was assuming the bottom was, and it was right. And this is where I said if we decided to go bullish and break up, this would be the bottom, but we broke down. I said if it happened between here and here, and it did happen right then. Anyway, I'm not going to go through all of them, but I think I'm feeling pretty good about predicting things, and it's, I mean, it's all gamble in the end, but I've become pretty confident in it. So I'm probably going to move some of that stuff to Patreon eventually. Inez. In the immediate short term, like in immediate short term, I think it's going to keep going down. I think it's going to keep going down for a while. I think it's going to be shit for the rest of the night and all the way for the next 7 hours at least. I think it's going to be shit. What's 7 hours from now? Wait, this is not the line. This is not the line. Yeah. I should make this my picture of my screenshot here. Everyone smile. Smile for the camera. And I flex. Flex. And nailed it. Fucking nailed it. As usual. Unfucking real. Save as. Screen cap for dummies 101. Save it on my desktop. I save everything on my desktop. Like, I don't use folders, okay? Oh yeah, no. I like the idea of coins in general being very, very successful. These new highs, new all-time highs, like, that's actually a really nice trend. I was afraid this was almost a little bit of a W, but if you look at this and then this shake off, it's so predictable, guys. This is why it's so on fucking real. You guys watch this. Look at this. Tell me that's not a predictable trend. Guys, this is 20 days of activity that's basically played out exactly the same 3 times. Okay? Bullish run to an all-time high, relative new low, shake off, bullish run to an all-time high, huge sell-off dip, shake off to a new all-time high, sell off dip to a new relative low, shake off. Geez, I wonder what's going to happen right here. I can't fucking understand. What do you think will happen right here? It's almost for sure that we will see, you know, it happens every fucking time. There's like no doubt about it. It's so natural. It's unreal. I feel like nobody's chatting. Nobody's chatting. Nobody's giving me a thumbs up. Nobody's subscribing. Am I alone here? Am I all by myself? Yes, just like and subscribe. Hit the like button twice, 3 times for a lady, if you would. Okay. I drank a lot of coffee today. I was double fisting fucking coffee today. You wouldn't fucking believe that. Yeah, the bull run's not over. The bull run's not over at all. There's just too much money going into it. There's too much money going into the hands of people who want to invest in it. I mean, it's just, what kind of world do you think will happen where all of a sudden people are not interested in coins and Ethereum and Bitcoin in the next month? Is there a world that you think we're just not interested in Bitcoin in a month? No way. Well, for the new low, this could be the low. This could be the low. If I'm looking at it like this, we could be here, or we could be here. So this kind of thing that happens, this second peak could bring us down to a new high low. So this is like an upward, you can see here, guys. And by the way, if you look at this from tips, tip, 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 and then brrr, boom, and it explodes. Okay, it is also very similar. It goes boom, 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 and then explodes. At some point, you have a triangle that I've drawn. I drew a triangle from here to here, and I knew that the triangle tip ended here, and I knew that we'd have a conformational change at that moment back around here, which was a long time before that even happened. The problem with this is we don't know if we're doing this. We could be doing this exact thing. Look at what we did here. We came down this much. We came down this much. It's exactly the same. Then we went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. Now here is where we can plow through like this, or we could show our bullish nature and a little bit higher and then pop up. We don't know. There's no predicting that. It depends on what happens over the course of the next 24 hours. But that will be the way to get in. Okay, getting in here is good. Getting in here is good. The next new relative low is either here or this comes down and is here. Actually, you could probably draw a line from here and to figure it out. If we're following the same trend of our linear upward trend of new high lows, if we did that again or stayed within it, then we wouldn't get any lower than 1325 or 1125. I'm sorry, 1125. So if we follow that trend, this would be our hard bottom. I think I'll just set that as my hard bottom. Huh, that actually looks pretty good. I think I like it. Our hard bottom at 1125. God, can you imagine trading? I was trading up and down in the 1300s and a little bit in the 1400s, and then less than 2 days later, you're trading the same asset for 1100. Good God, that'd be insane. That's just too volatile. And the only thing about the volatility here is, and that it's fucking gambling. It is gambling, no doubt about it. There are really strong trends that can be seen. This is a trend that's obvious. This is a trend that's obvious. This is a trend that's becoming obvious. If they don't pull out of this, but look at this. We've been out since here. So I've been for over 3 hours straight. I've been bearish on this, and it stayed bearish for 3 hours straight. And I got out because and it looked bad. The people who there's only one thing that's going to drive the price up, and it's going to be people buying, people interested. It's not going to. The purpose of it isn't going to improve. The value of it's not going to improve. Like the value of what a coin is not going to improve. The only thing that's going to improve in the next 6 months is our feeling towards coins. Like, do we feel that we want to invest in them? Are we interested in investing in them because corporations are investing in them? Or like those kinds of feelings are going to drive prices up. But like other than that, it won't have changed much. This I don't think. Yeah, geez. Maybe that should be the picture then. Is that better than the last picture? Which picture was better? I'll do both pictures and then we'll see which one is good. All right, here we go. Everyone smile. I'm gonna just flex. Hold on, flex, point. Squint the eyes really hard when we smile, and oh nope, I missed it. I fucking missed it. What a fucking idiot. Try again. No, wait. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Okay, yeah. You gotta hit the new button when you're already doing it. Wait, cancel. Cancel that. Relay that order. What's a when you say penny stock, are you referring to actual like micro cap penny stocks of companies that are coming up? I don't play with that at all. Small caps are better. I mean, penny stocks are great, but like 99 times out of 100 they don't do well. But where you see a company that has a lot of room to grow and has just had an IPO, so or an ISO, I like to watch those and jump in. Like Uber just got in. They're they just opened up their stock, and so that was actually pretty good. I think I want to go with that. Imagine if you got into Tesla. I remember they've been saying Tesla was overvalued ever since it came out, and now I'm like, I missed out on that. Shot by Mike Nelson. Great question. Like and subscribe for the answer. Just kidding. Look, this is how they do that, and it drives me crazy. And I show this occasionally. Oh, I can't do it. That's why, because it's days, weeks. Let's do weeks. All right, there we go. All right, guys, here's December right here. This is how they figure out when they think it's going to be. Here it is, July. They just draw a line like from the current trend, and they're like, it's going to be here. If we just draw a linear line from here to July. Oh yeah, it's going to be 3,000 in July. Look at perfect line. Nice. I guess it's going to be 3,000 in July, guys. What kind of moron would think that this would be something that would happen? First of all, this is more likely to happen, or this is just as likely to happen, but like following this trend perfectly that we've had for the last month to continue for another 6 months in exactly linear fashion, there's no reason that would ever happen. Yeah, I'm hoping we call it here, because this would be a really bullish, guys. If we decide to not break below this right here, then we'll have a really strong data point for a nice recovery triangle. So tomorrow, if we have a really strong recovery here and stop, I'm probably going to draw one of these guys, and it's going to look like this. If we have some kind of a strong recovery that's above this minimum, and then I'll be bullish for the next day or two. Basically, I'll be bullish for 2 days straight. But if we don't, then there'll be a new bottom, and I think it will be falling somewhere along this line and the other other line that I drew, which apparently fucking disappeared. I drew a magic line, people. I don't know where it went, so it's unfortunate. Yeah, it's looking like shit. It's still looking like shit. It's not improved. I'm not trying to get in. I'm not trying to watch this for the next 2 hours while it's shitting on me this hard in terms of just dislikability. I just don't know. It's widening. Moving averages are widening in the wrong direction. This whole thing is stupid. Okay? What are you guys doing here? Go watch The Mandalorian or something else. This is not something to watch. Ethereum's a waste of your time right now. Come back tomorrow. It's not going to work. I appreciate everyone coming out, guys, but I'm not going to sit here and watch this any longer. I think we did a fine job checking up, checking in, having a little chat, discussing with very minimal content. It was mostly a complete waste of an hour and 20 minutes for anybody who was paying attention. I appreciate it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, please. Nail that Discord. We'll chat it up tomorrow. All right. How much low? I talked about that a number of times. I'm putting it at somewhere between 1120 and 1200, I guess.